know he died here. I don't know if he has a wife. I don't know if he has kids. He has parents. But he rests here. And he sacrificed his life here. And that's what these tours are about, is to remember these men who sacrificed their lives here. And on this weekend of all weekends, it's the weekend we do it. And I'm afraid too many people forget about what Memorial Day is. Memorial Day is not just a day off. It's not the beginning of summer. It's a day for these soldiers to be recognized for giving their lives for the country. So that we can come out here and do this on this day or any other day we choose. We must always remember that. And we must always remember that from these honored dead, we give increased devotion for that cause for which they gave their last full measure of devotion. We here highly resolve that these dead shall not have died in vain. And I hope we've done that today, ladies and gentlemen. I sincerely thank you for attending this tour. Thank you.